Magandang hapon sa inyo lahat, everyone. It's SR Eater here, and today we found another new game, which is Core Box. And so nilaro ko po siya since I was like 9 years old, and nabutan ko po yung 2020, yung 2020. Anong tawag ng 2020? Oh, sorry. Wrong. Ano pala ako nito? Yeah, I was 7 nung nilaro ko to. Nabutan ko po talaga yung 2020 map, which is yun. So, we're at Legacy Day. So, yung mga powers natin dito, may invincible. Pwede. North by A. Let's see kung anong connection talaga, anong mangyayari pag tayo sa A. Ay. Wow. Ignore ako nun. So, by the way, may update na nangyayari is pwede ka mag-grab it. Uy, pwede nga. Wait, subukan ko lang. BANG! Ignore mo ako ah. Ignore mo ako dun ah. Oh. Wow. Yup. He's blind, yo. Ano na siya? Bulog na siya. So, may inan silang gory na texture. So, titingnan natin. Wow, naman si Kuya, bro. Oh, yeah. So, may base ba sila? Wow. Alak! Wow! Dami ng change sa game na to. And, pwede tayo malasing dito. So, meron silang inag na sigarilyo dito. And, let's just enjoy the game, yo. Yup, lasing na nga ako. What if dinamihan ko yung sigarilyo? Ano kayo mangyayari? Yes, may coach tayo. Siyempre, gagawin tayo. Hindi dyan, wala. Disable lang natin yung para okay, babanggayin natin yan. Babangga na yan. Tuloy na. Bang! Oh no! Okay lang ata ito si Kuya. Yeah, okay lang siya. Sakit nun. Para marinig yung atmosphere and yup, where we go. Tatanggalin na natin yung mga smoke dahil cigarette na. And tatalon tayo. Woo! Oh yeah, immortal nga pala tayo na kami. What's that? Oh yeah, what's this, bro? What's this? What the hell is this, bro? Ano to? So probably ata sa crusher, like para sa mga kahoy. So what if what's that? So what if Yeah, more warning ako sa YouTube. I can show it. And yep, yeah. And testing natin yung mga weapons kada sa isang gore. Tingnan natin kung may reaction ko.
What's up?
Oh, oh. Oh, what's up? What's up? What's up? What's up? What's up? Oh shit. Oh shit. Bro, it's too much worry, bro. Another one.
What's up?
Boom. What's up? That's what's up. That's what's up. Oh. Yeah. Yeah. How melee weapons muna? Since knife. Knife.
What's up?
Oh, nabali ko yung mukha niya. Yeah, napaka-mild ng gore nun yun. So what up, may sa leg to eh. Whoa! 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 Damn guys, damn. Ewan ko kung mababan ba ako sa YouTube. I mean, ano ako, mawawarning sa YouTube dahil sa gore na ginagawa ko about dito sa game. I'm just reviewing the game though. And what about this axe? I don't... Bro, cut his head off, man. Dude. Yun, yo. Look at that. Ano to? Oh, material. Yeah. Parang, ewan ko, machine person ba sa axe like something? Uy! May ano? May sapatos tayo and may katawan, grabe. May katawan, let's go. Look at that guys. Shock siya. Shock. Nagulat siya. Oh. Yep. Yan. And what about i-offing ano? Yung invincibility, then if fight ko yung mga maniac. Ano ginagawa mo? Kasi ka pinapatay ko yung ano, yung enemy. Dude, get out. No, get out. Mag-fight ako ng enemy. Okay, so we tested some couple. Ooh, we got spike bat. Let's try it. Yeah. Uy, kalbo. Kalbo. Ay, ang kalbo. Oh! Damn. What the heck is that? So, sabi daw, ang morphine is para maalis daw yung pain. So, may pain tayo. So, we're going to inject it. Yeah. Nahilo tayo. So, suntukan tayo. Ay, that's just morphine. That's just... Sipa.
I give up.
Oh, you give up? You give up? You give up? Oh, yeah.
Let's talk this out, okay?
Hands up.
Let's talk this out.
Hands up, man. Ah, hindi ako makapag-cut. Hands up, man. Hands up. Oh, yan. Drop kick! Ano? Hindi ka makatayo? Ano? 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 Wala ka, boy. Wala ka. Oh, oh. Beat him up, beat him up. Oh, ako nanalo.
Hello?
Ano? Wala. Palta. Okay, what if we got pickaxe, crowbar, and axe? Just axe.
Hey, what's up?
No, ano ka? Oh. Yeah, that sucks. We're Gordon Freeman now. Oh, yeah, we've gone too far. What about pickaxe?
You win, I surrender.
Oh yeah, women can't fight pag nasa Maniac. Yeah, hindi maka-fight
Hey,
ang
hey, hey, you win, I surrender.
women pag Maniac, okay? I'm not saying this, but kung na-open ng mga babae dyan, well, sorry. Yung given dito ko.
Whoa, 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 whoa.
Oh, I think mas better yung pickaxe kaysa baseball bat, I guess. Yung spike bat, that's absurd. Absurd man. I know, mas better nga siya. Oh, what if? Teka lang. Enjoy ako na yan. Magsusuntukan. Ayan. Ayan na. Pug! Uy! Babae yan, tol! Wow! Ayan na, magsusuntukan na yung dalawa. Uy! You went too far, man! Oh no! Ayan na, magsusuntukan na yan. Oh, boxing! Oh! Pug! Whoa! Bro, what did you do? Oh, the spike ba gusto mo? Ayan! Para patas. Ito. Wow.
I'll crush you!
Ayan, para patas. Ayan na. Bilis! Magsuntukan na kayo! Nagkakantay na ako. Bisa nyo, babarilin ko kayo. Puro ano-ano lang kayo. Isa ka pa. Hindi kayo makalaban sa isa't isa. Puro lang kayo ano eh. Oh, we got revolver because I want to make it big. Oh yeah, never mind. Wow, boy pa siya doon? That's... Wow! He's alive? Wait, ano nangyari? Yep, he fell. Gusto ko kasi talaga may makita ng mga Gordles na nagsusuntukan. Breacher versus dalawang Maniac. Wow! Bug! Baril yan. Wait, wow. Wow, patay na. Wala sa tall, where's the breacher? Dude, Where's the breacher, man? Where's the breacher? Diyan ka lang, natalo ka, may punishment ka. Breacher, bro. Breacher. breacher? Saan na? Bro, where's the breacher? Ayun ka. Oh, I'm sorry. I'm sorry, man. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I'm sorry, dude. I'm sorry. Pasensya na, pasensya na. Nahulog kita sa butas. Since natalo ka, anong ginagawa mo? Bakit kinakaganyan? Since natalo ka, yan. Look at that, guys. Para siyang ano, no? Para siyang nagulat sa'yo. Ah! And ikaw naman, tapos ka na. Tapos ka na, bro. Whoa! What's siya with the shotgun? That's weird, bro. Where's the, how's the guard? Yep, he's dead. He's bleeding dead. He's bleeding, guys. The guard's bleeding. We should go down and save him. You okay? What the? What? What the what? Paano ito nabuksan? Paano ito nabuksan? What? Kanina sarado lang yan eh. I'm gonna heal this guard since... Oh, whoa, don't move. Yan, since we need more than men. We need to... Huwag ka nang makulit, man. Huwag ka nang makulit. Ang ginagawa mo? Nagsisturdy ka ba? Nagsisturdy ka ba, man? What are you doing? Ang ginagawa mo? Sturdy ka ba? Wow, paano ka sturdy mo? Sturdy ka ba? Bye. Sturdy, and I found nabuksan to. Nabuksan ng guard. Ano ito nabuksan? That's the weirdest, bro. Oh, ay. Uy, grabe, prison to ah. Prison. Oh, so what if ano tayo nag-meet dyan? Eh, nandito ako. Psst, psst. Oh, wait. Ano pala ako? Here's your gun, man.
Okay?
Ayan yung baril, kunin mo. Kunin mo yung baril, man. Get the gun. Get the gun, bro.
Alright.
Yan. Shoot him. Bang! Nice one. Naging god siya, guys. Naging god. Nah, bro. I'll put you many more. What was shadow me? If you say goodbye. Whoa! Whoa! Ay, God! What the fuck is that? Is it killable? Grabe! What about ano? Teacher, kill it. Ayan na. Oh, ain't no way. Ain't no way, guys. Ain't no way. You're gonna be okay, man. You're gonna be okay. Whoa! Chill! I'm about terrified.
Hey there.
Mamamatay ka dyan. Who the fuck is this guy? Ang laki ng galamay, men. Ang laki ng galamay. Ang laki ng galamay. Ang laki ng galamay, men. Officer, kill it. Since kayo mga pulis. Yo, yes, no. Yay, no way! Napag-read! Tingnan natin kung... What happened, yo? Yo! Yo, good job, guys! Pinatay ninyo! Ang galing ninyo! Grabe!
Never sit down.
Yo, guys! Ang galing ninyo! Pinatay nyo! Wow! Wow! Wow, guys, ang galing ninyo, pinatay nyo. Pinatay nyo, ang galing nyo. And ang reward nyo is death. Grabe, ang ganda. Hey man, you okay? Okay ka lang? Anong ginagawa mo? Anong ginagawa mo, man? Ano nangyari sa'yo? Ouch! 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 Ano nangyari, bro? What is happening? Goodbye, I'll end your life. This is an ouch. Goodbye, man. Sorry. Grabe, apaka-bloodbath. Destroy ng monster, like, ano sila, para silang papel. That's weird, bro. Ato. Wait, what's this? Oh! What's that? Wait, hindi ko makita, magpa-flashlight tayo. Oh, what's this? Passage? Saan nag-detain yung passage na ito? Saan nag-detain? Oh, what's this? Ladder? Where are we, bro? And we're back at the garage. Impossible. Impossible. Oh, wait, may idea ako. Hey, Wally. Sige na, Wally. Dito ka na, Wally. Tingnan natin this bird. Bye-bye! Come on, bilisan mo. Nag-aantay ako. Guys, and tingnan na po si tagin na lang kitang Wally kasi nga kalbo kayo. Yep, dead. And what the fuck is this? Ano yan? What the heck is this? Oh shit. Now I'm fucking scared kung anong mangyayari. Is that a glitch? Glitch na ba yun? Glitch ba? Oh shit, it's a glitch. Oh, weird one. And I'm telling y'all. Now I'm scared na. Scared na ako, y'all. Scared na ako. Scared na ako. Like, yeah, I'm sorry, dude. I'm sorry. I mean, I'm like, what the fuck? What really happened? Yeah, just be safe. Oh, so by the way, pwede tayo maging A-train dito. Parang tayo magko-control ng time. And we can destroy him. Nag-iwan siya ng kamay. And nakasara. It means dead. Next na yun. What the fuck is that? What the fuck is that? But, ano na siya? And we got a doll. Pwede ba natin bigyan yung Gordol ng ng clothing? Clothing like something. Oh yeah, we can give him. I'm gonna call you a Juggernaut. Where's the boots, man? I'm gonna call you Juggernaut. Bye-bye. Ooh, yeah, see you paradise. And I think that's all for today. Thank you for watching, y'all. Thank you.